At the airport. Good afternoon. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
All right. Please place it on the scale.
Okay.
That's fine. Would you like an aisle or a window seat?
An aisle seat if possible.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass. Boarding will begin at 10:40 at gate 23.
Thank you. What time does the flight depart?
At 11:15, but I'd recommend being at the gate at least half an hour earlier.
Understood. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight. The hotel reservation.
Good afternoon, Greenview Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly. When will you be staying with us?
From the 15th to the 18th of March. 3 nights.
And will that be for one person or two?
2 adults. We'd prefer a double room, if possible.
Let me just check availability. Yes, we do have a double room available. Would you like a standard room or a superior one?
What's the difference?
The superior room is slightly larger and has a view of the park. It's also been recently refurbished.
That sounds nice. How much is it per night?
It's £140 per night, including breakfast.
All right, we'll take that.
Lovely. May I take your name, please?
It's Daniel Wright.
Thank you, Mr. Wright. I'll just need your card details to confirm the booking.
Hotel room problems.
Excuse me, I'm afraid there's a bit of a problem with our room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
The AC isn't working, and it's getting hot in the room.
I do apologize for the inconvenience. Have you tried adjusting the thermostat?
Yes, we have, but it doesn't make any difference.
I see. I can send the maintenance engineer up straight away, or if yes, we can move you to another superior room on the same floor.
If possible, we'd rather change rooms. We had a long journey and would like to rest.
Of course, I completely understand. Let me check. Yes, we can move you to another superior room on the same floor.
That would be great, thank you.
I'll arrange for someone to help you with your luggage. Again, I'm very sorry about this.
No worries. Thank you for sorting it out so quickly.
At the restaurant.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. It's under Wright.
That's all right. Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink while you're deciding?
Could I have a glass of red wine, please? And I'll have sparkling water.
Certainly. I'll be back in a moment. Are you ready to order?
I think so. I'll have the roast chicken with vegetables.
Excellent choices. Would you like any side dishes?
Maybe some extra potatoes, please.
Not a problem. I'll bring your drinks shortly. How was everything?
Absolutely lovely. The chicken was very tender.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you care for dessert?
I think I will just have the bill, please.
Of course. I'll bring it right over.
Learning English can be hard sometimes, but here we learn together, so please subscribe and leave a comment to tell me what you need. If you subscribe and comment, you help this channel grow, and you also help me make better English lessons for you. Thank you.